This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the sticker and surrounding skin. This matters because fixing depends on whether edges are lifting or the design is smeared. Once done, remove surface oils with 70% isopropyl alcohol or mild soap and dry gently with a lint-free cloth. Make sure to have tweezers, a small angled brush, thin cotton swab, and a clear top coat within reach. These let you manipulate edges, clean creases, and seal without redoing the whole design. Now you handle the detailed correction. Carefully lift any loose edge with tweezers and press it back down, adding a tiny dot of skin-safe adhesive if it won't stick. Then, match color and line weight by using a diluted mehndi paste in a fine-tipped cone to reconstruct missing segments. This works because fresh henna bonds visually and chemically. Once filled, smooth transitions with a tiny brush and clean any stray marks using a half-damp cotton swab, so the design reads as one piece. Finish by sealing. Apply a very thin clear top coat or dab a lemon sugar mix to lock the design. This prevents smudging and deepens stain. Let it set for 10 to 20 minutes, and then avoid water or friction for at least 6 to 8 hours so the repair bonds. If a smear shows up, don't rub. Blot excess. Re-outline the affected line with your cone and reseal. That single troubleshooting step usually saves a repair without redoing the entire sticker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.